Welcome to today's workout. You do not need to know how to dance to do this workout. Anybody can do it. Let's get into the first song. Here's the first move.
You and I till the end, don't
That's all you have to do.
again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together.
Yes!
Stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks.
Hands on the waist. Pump, pump. Step to the side. Awesome.
When I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high.
Get it! You're doing good.
Without you, we have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
You are awesome.
I can pick you up when you're heading down.
Hands up. Step back.
I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry.
You got it.
We're on an all-time high. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things together. You're the only thing I'm holding on.
Oh, 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 oh. I hope you're loving this workout so far. If you are, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free for you and it means so much to me. I'll be back after the break to keep dancing with you. Get ready, it's the same moves, and I'm not gonna say anything. I'll try my best. Let's go.
And I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again.
Freestyle, baby.
Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many.
And that's it. You worked out today. Doesn't that feel so good? Here's a super quick tutorial that will help you if you are struggling with any of the moves. Oh, I actually have a full 30-minute version of this workout on my website, kobokofitness.com. You can click the link in the description to check it out. That version includes a warm-up, cool-down, and some other songs, but we didn't do that in this video, so I'm going to skip past all of that. Okay, this first part is super straightforward. We're just having a good time, clapping, and then about 15 seconds in, you're going to add your shoulders and shrug it off. All your annoyances, all your pain, all the things making you sad, you just shrug it right off right there. Now with this move, you want to start by pulling as if you're pulling your shoelaces before you start hopping on one foot. I'm going to show it to you in slow motion so you can really see what I was doing. So you're going to pull up, you got that, and you lean back just a little bit, then you go back down, and you pull those shoelaces nice and tight, and then once you have that movement down, you add the hopping motion. Does that make sense? So really, you want to make sure you start with that pulling motion, and when you feel comfortable, you switch legs and get all fancy with it. Yes! Now here, you're literally touching your booty in the back and also bringing your chest towards your hips. So let me show it to you in slow motion. So you're really bringing that chest in. It's like a crunch. You're crunching your abs in. I really wish I'd shown you this from the side, but my booty is looking rather huge right now and I just wasn't comfortable. Look at this clip right here from a different song. Yep, totally looks like a question mark. Anyway, back to the tutorial. When you're doing this, think about your ab muscles because this is actually a good core ab type workout.
When it all just sucks.
Hands on the waist, pump, pump. Step to the side, awesome.
When I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high.
Get it, you're doing good.
Without you, we have yet so many stupid things to do.
Now we go straight into shoulder rolls. Make sure you're making big rolls with your shoulders, like I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this, and then we go back into the clapping and having a good old time. I think this part is super straightforward, so we can just skip. Okay, so here you stop, put your hands up, and you're stepping. Depending on the side you're going to. If you're going right, you start with your right foot and you step out and then swing your hips to keep going. Let's talk about this in slow-mo so you can really see. So you step out. I love to start with my right. You can see I swung my hip to the right, then my leg joined, and I did it again. So you just swing your hip out, and then you step, and then bring that other leg to follow you. That's all you're doing. It's almost like a calypso type movement, almost like that emoji dancing movement. But honestly, if your body is not doing what I'm doing, it's totally fine. Just move the way you want to move. That's the whole point. As long as you're moving, it's all good. We all dance differently in our own way. I have a little bounce in my step to, intensify the movement. And I recommend you do the same. You're not really jumping. You're just bouncing off your toes like the floor is hot or something. You are awesome. Then we go back to that movement that you already know, but this time we're going forward and backward because, we fancy like that. We fancy like that. I feel like this is another one that's super duper straightforward. So this is it in slow motion, but we're not going to spend any time on it. We're just going to go to the next move. At this point, I don't know about you, but I was exhausted. So we do a plie squat, raise your hand, and then you wave from side to side like a fern. Let's quickly talk about that plie squat. You can see my feet are wider than shoulder width apart. I drop to parallel. My hand kind of grazes the floor, and then I stand up. When you're standing up, you want to squeeze your booty as much as you can because what is this? Why would we miss an opportunity to work on the booty, When you're doing this, I want you to really think about your ab muscles. I know it's hard when you're dancing, but suck it in, engage those abs, and get 2 for 1. Now you're going to make an X with your arms. Whoa, that was fast. Slow motion. So you can see you're going to swing your arms out, step back, and when you step forward, you make that X in front. You got it? Okay. Much better in slow motion. So you step back, hands are open, and when you step forward, you close your hands in front. Once you get the movement, just do whatever your legs want to do, to be honest.
I can pick you up when you're heading down.
Hands up, step back.
I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry.
You got it.
We're on an all-time high.
As long as you're doing that X with your hand in front, like Wakanda forever. Yeah, if you can do that movement, you got this down. And then we freestyle. Freestyle. Do whatever moves you. And that is the whole tutorial. This is a super, super simple workout. I literally feel like everybody can do it. You can skip the jumping if it's not right for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found this tutorial kind of sort of helpful. Check out my website, kobokofitness.com. I have full-length 30-minute videos, your whole year of workouts planned for you, all sorts of good stuff. I'm going to include the whole song all over again so you can do everything from start to finish so that the next time you do this workout, it will be like you're a professional.
You and I till the end. Don't
That's all you have to do.
again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
Yes!
Stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks.
Hands on the waist. Pump, pump. Step to the side. Awesome.
When I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high.
Get it! You're doing good.
Without you, we have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding
You are awesome.
I can pick you up when you're heading down.
Hands up, step back.
I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry.
You got it.
Man, we're on an all-time high. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We did so many stupid things together. You're the only thing I'm holding on.
Oh, 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 oh. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next workout video.